Okay, so the thing to really consider about decodable text when we're using them is this model known as lesson to text match. So when you're reading, decodability is on a continuum. That decodability changes over time depending on what the student knows, what letter sound correspondences they've been taught, and what's already in their phonics knowledge bank. So we have to actually take into consideration both the text and the reader. Okay, the number of phonically regular words in the text when you're following a typical sequence from simple to complex. You start off with single letters in VC and CVC words, and you move on then to digraphs, consonant and vowel digraphs, and then you move up to CVCC, CCVC, C, etc. In that one syllable word. Okay, so the text is, that formula is typically based on that, and then it's the reader, the number of letter sound correspondences that they've been taught. And the research does show that children who read decodable texts that are aligned to a phonics scope and sequence, they actually read with more accuracy than those that don't. So we do need that. Okay, so some of the research very quickly about how decodable text readings do help a reader. They support decoding as a primary reading strategy. I don't have time to go into all the studies today, but if you want to know more about why and how these results were achieved, you can email me and I'm happy to share those. They make the alphabetic code transparent for the beginning reader. Okay, so, and they can read nonsense words, that should say in assessment, more accurately than those that do not read decodable text or perhaps read predictable or levelled text. And they promote autonomy and independence.